This is for women whose skin feels dry, dull, or just tired of too many products. If your face feels tight after every washing, stay right here. Listen, this isn't trendy skincare. This is Blackstrap Molasses, an old school ingredient that women have been using to nourish their skin for generations. Blackstrap molasses naturally contains minerals and antioxidants that help the skin feel hydrated, soft, and supported, especially when your skin barrier needs love, not overload. This is especially for women with dull or dried looking skin that feels tight or depleted, mature skin that craves moisture, anyone simplifying their skincare routine. When used as a mask, it helps lock in moisture, leave skin feeling smoother, support a healthy looking glow, give the skin a nourished, refreshed feel. And yes, I'm 61 and I love Blackstrap Molasses as a face mask. Continue to watch this video and let me share with you how I use it. Here's exactly how I use it. I start with a clean, dry face. I apply a thin, even layer of Blackstrap molasses. I don't get it near my eye area, or close to it at least. And then I just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After then, I just rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. Now listen, your skin should feel soft, moisturized, and comfortable, never tight. And I always let you know, always do a patch test. Everything is not for everybody. Now this is skincare, not a treatment. And natural doesn't always mean one size fits all. But if you're done chasing trends and ready to nourish your skin, simply this is worth trying. And I will definitely have this one linked in the description box for you so you can check it out for yourself or pick up any one of them that you feel comfortable with. That's it, that's all. I'll see y'all in the next one. And stay glowing. And if you try the Blackstrap Molasses Face Mask, please share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye. Lifting each other higher, steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. It's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly